Here we have a Transporter T5.1 camper van, and what we're doing here today is a stereo replacement. This is what it has at the moment. And now I'll show you what we're going to be installing into the van. Here we have an Alpine X803D-U car stereo. What it is, it has an 8-inch screen. It doesn't have a DVD player or anything like that, but it do have Apple Play and Android Auto, as well as having the usual DAB, and this also has Sat Nav as well built into it. This is going to be installed into a Transporter T.51, so it's the upgrade T5 Transporter, but it would also fit a Transporter T6 as well. So let me unbox it, just show you what it's all about. Now this Alpine stereo has actually been designed for that Transporter. So in there we've got USB lead as well as the GPS lead for the Sat Nav and a microphone for the Bluetooth. So if we get that out, just get the stereo out itself. So, let's put the box down. So there you have the actual screen itself. So that's the actual stereo. And the actual screen is 8-inch and is a double din, while the actual body is a single din body. And on the back of it, it comes with all of this as part of the Alpine pack. All this is ready to go for a Volkswagen Transporter harness. So that's your steering wheel controls. So all the steering wheel controls will work as if it was a standard radio, and also aerial connectors as well, which includes DAB. So they've even added the DAB connector to it. So there's no need for an external DAB aerial that's on the windscreen. So this all comes with it. So that is pretty much plug and play. Also with the kit, provide a fascia. It's quite nicely finished. And a couple of other little bits and pieces. So I think that is where, if the vehicle has a factory USB connected, you could actually plug into that. So you could use the standard USB, I assume that's what that is, and an extended aerial wire. So there you have an Alpine X803DU. And that will be installed at a later date, and what I will do is try to show you that powered up. Right, the stereo is all installed, and if you have a look. So you could use the steering wheel controls, and that would operate the stereo. If you have a look, the way the stereo is actually installed, it comes with this fascia like I showed you, and it just fits nice and flush with the actual fascia of the stereo. So it just all looks as it meant to be. And that's it, ran through the features of that. So you could do your Bluetooth audio, it has CarPlay, Android Auto as well as Sat Nav. So it's just basically a modern version of your stereo, just got it all up to date.